Hi, this is John, and in this clip I'll be talking about personal safety equipment. Now, the first and most important rule of woodworking is to have and wear appropriate safety equipment. Of all the personal protective equipment, the safety glasses is probably the most important. Without your eyesight, it is virtually impossible to do any form of woodworking. Now, when purchasing a pair of safety glasses, you want to make sure it holds the Z87 rating, and that's going to be written right on the package and right on the safety glasses. Additionally, since the tools in a woodworking shop can get very loud, you'll want a good pair of ear protection. Here we have just some foam ear inserts. There are also different types of ear protection that encompass your entire ear. Now, since woodworking shops can also get pretty dusty, it's always good to have some type of a dust mask or respirator. And lastly, if you're doing any type of staining or finishing, you want to make sure you have a good pair of gloves that are somewhat chemical resistant. A lot of times stains and finishes will actually eat through the glove and break those gloves down. So make sure you have a good, strong pair of gloves.